Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert image into text in Word document. Now let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is show you the sample image right here. So as you can see, this is in PNG file. And yeah, from here, what we're going to do is simply insert it here. I'm just going to go ahead and put it here just like so. As you can see, this is an image. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and save this as a PDF. So yeah, that's a goal. So I'm going to go ahead and put here Word to PDF, something like that. And then save this in the desktop. And yeah, from this point forward, we're going to go and basically insert it here or open it here. So I'm going to click File and then Open and go ahead and click Browse, Word to PDF, Open, and then hit OK, and it's basically going to convert that for you. And after doing so, you can see that now we're able to do this. So if I were to go ahead and close this one, for example, I can definitely do that. Make some edit here. So yep, that is the simple way. So again, everybody, this is the easiest way to convert image into text in Word document.